In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles to your video and make them stand out using Clipchamp. Whether you're creating content for social media, YouTube, or any other platform, adding subtitles is a great way to increase accessibility and engagement. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to clipchamp.com. If you're not already logged in, click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to log in with various options, and for today let's proceed by clicking on Continue with Microsoft. Once you log in with your Microsoft account, you'll be directed straight to the Clipchamp homepage. On the Clipchamp homepage, you will see the option to create a new video. Go ahead and click on that, and now you're ready to start your project. Look for the Import Media button, which allows you to upload your video file. You can easily do this by dragging and dropping your video onto the platform's workspace. With your video uploaded, click on it to select it. You'll then see several editing options appear. Switch over to the audio section, where you'll want to click on Detach Audio to separate your audio track from the video. This step is vital because it will help the software process the audio accurately for subtitle generation. Once you've detached the audio, head to the Captions section. This is where Clipchamp allows you to create subtitles effortlessly. To make this process streamlined, there's a button to generate captions with AI. Click on it and choose the language for the captions, which should match the language spoken in your video. The next step involves hitting Transcribe Media, and Clipchamp will start transcribing your audio to create captions. Depending on the length and complexity of your audio, this might take a few moments. Once complete, you'll see the captions applied to your video. After your captions are generated, you can begin refining them. You have the option to manually edit each caption to correct any errors or customize the text as needed. Click on a caption in your video timeline to tweak its content. Finally, you can make your subtitles visually appealing by adjusting the font and color. This is where you get creative and ensure your subtitles stand out on any background. To do this, click on a caption box in your video and explore the options for editing font, style, size, and color according to your preference. And there you have it, subtitles that not only enhance accessibility but also captivate your audience's attention. Remember, good subtitles are visually clear and contextually accurate, so take this process one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Clipchamp.